Hello everyone, happy to see you here on my channel. Hi, I'm Mathematics, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you find any percentages or wherever you want. Doesn't matter it's from table case or not table case, we'll find every percentage wherever we want. So we have 4% of 75. As you can see, it's not from our table case, it's not from our table, because from here, right here we have 10%, 25, 33, 50 and 75. This is percentages that everyone know about it. It's not like a hard percentages, but what about 4%? How can we find 4% of 75? A lot of students confused about this challenge. A lot of students don't know how can we find this 4% of 75, and in this video I'm going to fully explain you what about this trick. First of all, let's rewrite this challenge right here. So we have first step. So let's rewrite our challenge. So 4% of 75. This is our first trick. We can easily swap these two values, okay? We can easily swap this 4 and 75. Doesn't matter, 4, 75. We can easily swap these values, 4 and 75. In our case, 475, let's swap it. So we have 75% of 4, and it helps us a lot. Sometimes you have right here a great value, but it's not percentage. For example, we have right here a 3% of 50. It's the same as 50% of 3, so we can easily swap these values, and then with this table, or you don't need this table. If you have 50%, this is like a half. If it's 33.3%, it is third part, it is 4 parts. So we can easily go to our table, but we should know about this trick. We can easily swap these two values, okay? So we swap it. But if you don't know about 75%, there is second really important trick in terms of math. So take a look closely. 75%, this is the same as 50%, yeah, 50%, and we should plus 25%, okay? If you don't know about 75, if you don't like this 75, you can easily express this 75 as 50% plus 25%, and of course 50% of 4, yeah, 50% of 4, and plus 25% of 4, yeah, and 50% of 4 equal to this is like a half, equal to 2, and 25% of 4 equal to, this is like a fourth part, yeah, 25%, this is 1 over 4, which is equal to 1. We add it, yeah, we have addition right here. So if we add it, we have like 75% of 4 equal to 3, and of course it is the same as 4% of 75 equal to 3 as well. So this is two best tricks in percentages. First, we can easily swap these two values, which helps us a lot, because sometimes the second value, it's really great for us. For example, 50, this is a half, so we can easily swap it, and it looks like 50%. It's not like 3% right here, 7, 5. It looks like a 50% if you have this, if we complete this swap. And then with this table we can easily see this. But let's practice right now, okay? Let's practice a little bit. For example, let's practice it. Let's practice this rule, this really important rule in terms of percentage. So let's practice it. For example, we have 24% of, let's do this with 15, okay? With 15. Okay, we can easily apply this swap, okay? Because I don't know about 24%, it's really hard for us. Let's try to work with 15, okay? So let's swap it. So we have 15% of 24, okay? We completed this first step. Right here, I don't see this 15 in our table. I don't see this. So right now, let's try to express this as a sum of two table cases, okay? In our case, 15, it's really great to express as 10%, okay? And 5%, okay? And 5%, so plus 5%. So 10% of 24 and 5% of 24. And of course, we add it right here. So as a result, 10% of 24, this is like a tenth part, yeah, 1 over 10, so we divide it by 10, so 2.4. And 5%, this is like, I don't have this table case right here, but it looks like 20th part, okay? So we divide it by 20, okay? So we have like 1.2. So our 15% of 24 gives us, we added, so 3.6. And of course, this is the same as 24% of 15, which gives us 36 as well. So I hope you understand this explanation. This is really great two tricks. First trick, we can easily swap these percentages, which helps us a lot, because sometimes we have like 13% of 50. It's bad for us, because we can easily write it as 50% of 13, and then table case, we have our answer. So I hope you understand this trick. This is really important trick in terms of math, so you can easily watch this video once more, or you can pause the video, which helps us a lot, which helps you a lot to improve your percentage skill, because percentage sometimes it's not that easy for students, so they need more practice to improve their knowledge with percentages. So it's really important in terms of math. So here's my explanation. I hope you learned something new. I hope you understand these two tricks right here. So first trick, we can easily swap it, and the second trick, we can easily express these percentages in an easy way. Someone don't know about 30, we can express 30 as 25 plus 5, so 30 can be written as 25 plus 5. We can write 45 as 50 minus 5, yeah? So it helps us a lot. So thank you for your time, have a great day, see you in the next videos, and take care.